So this is the percentage of your commission. Could be, for example, 5, could be 10, could be 20, could be 30. Okay. So, but the most important thing is that, for example, just to share with you some numbers, it depends on many, many factors. First of all, profit, the net profit of the company profit. I mean, for example, if you are selling a building like 300K euro, of course, I'm talking about real estate, of course, So if you're selling 300,000 euros of product, I mean, like a apartment, you will never get, it's very, very, very difficult to get a 10% of commissions. Yes, it's possible, but it's not common.